Hello, today I'm reviewing this RGB lamp I got for my office, and I will actually show to you how easily it is to put together and then share my overall thoughts with you. Setting up this RGB corner floor lamp took me just a couple of minutes, and the best part, the screwdriver is in the box. So let me actually show you the full unboxing and step-by-step assembly. Everything arrives well protected and organized in a compact box. In the box you can find 4 aluminum pole pieces, weighted base, silicone light strip, screws, power adapter with inline controller. You can also find the remote, magnetic screwdriver, and manuals. First, assemble all 4 pole sections into one pole and use included screws at each joint. And the driver is magnetic, so it's very easy to start and just tighten. You'll use most of the screws and a couple will be spares. Now, let's attach the finished pole to the weighted base with the screws, snug but not over tighted. Then we connect the silicone strip plug to the base connector, and you should feel a light click. Starting at the bottom, we gently press the strip into the channel and work our way to the top. Make sure don't stretch it or twist it, just small presses with your thumb. And if a section pops out, backen up an inch and reset. Finish with the top cover to close the channel. And then we just connect inline controller, plug in the power adapter, and power is on. And one thing I would like to mention, that remote needs 2 AAA batteries, and batteries are not included, but you can also use Bluetooth app or voice with Alexa or Google. And then when the power is on, you're just ready to play with 24-zone RGB effects. You have aurora, sunset, music synchronizer, or your own DIY gradients. And it also remembers your last setting even after power is off. Overall, assembly of this lamp was super easy, and one of the things I want to mention, that the reason why I chose this lamp over others because of this base. Number one, it's very stable. It has padded feet on the bottom. It's super compact, but you can also see it has a lot of cool lights. And this lamp has over 114 different modes of light, so if you can for sure choose and find something what you like and what could be cool for your space. And I really love this lamp and highly recommend to check this one out. Thanks for watching.